Did you know that there are special saving tools for electricity and water, and they contribute effectively to reducing the electricity and water bills in your house? The Department of Energy has provided self-installed efficiency kit that will be available only through Efficiency Advisor service for limited number of customers. This kit includes 4 different sizes of Faucet Aerators, saving shower heads, and 3 energy-saving light bulbs, water flow rate bag, and Faucet Aerators removal tool. In addition to the installation instructions leaflet, request Efficiency Kit service by registering on the website useitwisely.doe.gov.ae or call the number 02 20 70 800 or 800 555. Use it wisely and be part of Abu Dhabi's transition to a new energy era.